Welcome back to Pier 60 at Clearwater Beach. You all have been asking for an update, so here it is. All this footage was taken March 8th, 2025, which was a Saturday, and it was absolutely packed. Seems like spring break is in full swing. And guess what? The pier is open again. There were so many vendors at the pier and at the park at the mouth of the pier, making and selling their arts and crafts. The inflatables were back and operating, and the performers were doing their thing as well. The crowd was loving this guy. The path along the water was open and jumping. I will say bring your patience because sitting on the bridge getting into Clearwater Beach was quite a wait, but of course it was worth it.